Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve question number 4 of NEET 2017 physics paper. So let us start with question number 4. Students, let us solve question number 4, which says U2. This is U2. Both ends open to the atmosphere. So ends are open. I'll just have to draw a diagram for this. So this is the U2. This one is the U2. Open both the ends, these are open to the atmosphere, this end and this end, open to the atmosphere, is partially filled with water. So this is filled with water, oil. So now this U2 is partially filled with water and oil. Some part is filled with water and some part with oil. So suppose that up to here it is filled with oil. This is oil, and the water is from as you can see, the markings is given from here to here. So water I will draw in blue. So the water is somewhere here. Okay. So water is here. Now this from here to here, EF, this is given as A, this is given as B, this is given the same level, this is C, and this is D somewhere here, D, and this is E, and the same level it is F. This one is 10 mm, and this is in 65 mm, and this is also 65 mm. Okay. Now this is water and this is oil. This is water. It's poured, which is immeasurable water, is poured into one side until it stands at a distance of 10 mm above the water level. So this is water level. This stands 10 mm above the water level. So the oil is filled up to here, which is 10 mm higher in height. And the other side, this side. Meanwhile, the water rises by 65 mm from its original level. So this was the original level, initial, and this is now the final level. 65 centimeter from its original level. The density of oil is, suppose that the density of the oil is rho oil, and the density of water, I'll write density of water, rho S2O. Now, if this is the equilibrium that is obtained, then we know that at the same level the pressure is same. So pressure at B here and the pressure at C here must be same. So according to the principle of this, that pressure is always same at the same horizontal level. The pressure is always same at the same horizontal level. So PB equals to PC. Pressure at B equals to pressure at C. The pressure at B is equal to the height of this density rho gh, pressure is rho, density of oil g, and height of this liquid here, that is oil, which is 10 plus 65 plus 65, that is 120, 130, 140 mm. So this is 140 in mm I'm writing here, and this equals to the height of this water, which is 120 and 130. So rho density of water G and H is 130 mm. This mm will cancel, this G will cancel. So density of oil is density of water into 130 over 140. This is what we're getting. So this will cancel out. This is 1000, that we know the density of water is 1000. So this into 13 divided by 14. If this is 14 or this is 13, then it is 1000. But because this is 14 and this is 13 and this is more than this, so it will be, this value will be little less than 1. So maybe it is 0.9. If I multiply 0.9, it's 900. Okay, so the answer will be 900 something, 900 plus minus. So best options will be 928. This is how you have to check in your exam, but still if you want to find the value, then you can also find out. You can do it like this. This you can write as 100 into 130 divided by 14. Okay, I know that this will be the answer because this gives me, this is the right options, but still I will just solve it for you. That 130 divided by 14 into 100, this is the answer. So first let us find this one. 130 divided by 14 equals to 9, or it's little 9 times. So 14 9 ja 126. So 124 is left. So 4 is left. Okay. So I put decimal, then it is 0 for 40. 14 2s are 14 2s are. So I'm already getting, if I multiply in 100, then I'll get that 14 2s are 28. Whatever is left, what is left? 40 minus 28, it is 12. So 12, if I so 9.2 is already there, 12 is there. So then I can, if I approximately like this, then 100 into 9.2, it is 920 approximately. So if I further calculate, then it will be more than that. So it is 928. So if you calculate that, this answer comes out to be 928. This is given 928 kilogram per meter cube. So this is the answer to this question number 4. Okay, thank you.